Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm in a customer's ice plant in Laguna. It's very close to Manila, Philippine. This is the owner. He bought our 10,000 capacity tube ice machine. His name is Eduardo. Eduardo, would you please show us the around
Yes.
your factory?
So I'll first walk through our factory. So this is our storage, so which keeps our ice cool. Okay. So here is the machine, the 10-ton tube ice machine that we bought from Mike, including the bin and then the ice crusher as well.
Okay.
So, and over here, so it's a very simple setup. And over here is the reverse osmosis machine, so we can make our pure water.
Pure water.
Yeah, so 2 tanks are for the source water and 2 tanks are for the product pure water. So they're all lined and connected to the ice machine via pump.
You also use the pure water for the cooling tower,
Yes,
right?
ideally, yes, you should put that.
Yeah, you should keep using that, using pure water for the cooling tower.
Yes.
That will be the high efficiency of the condenser.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
the machine we are always working with the efficiency like new machine.
Okay, yes, yes. So here, that's basically everything. So
Okay.
it's a very simple setup.
So you plan to add another machine here?
Yes, yes. Ideally, we want to add another 20-ton tube
Okay.
ice machine besides our 10-ton tube ice machine because of the growing demand.
Okay.
Yes.
And you told me you plan to sell the ice to the mall.
Yes, yes, yes. Our target market is the restaurants in the malls.
Okay.
So inside the malls, the restaurants there consume a lot of ice.
And then you, with the bigger capacity, you can sell the ice to ice dealer, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So also ice dealers who can pick up and sell to like smaller businesses like small coffee shops, markets, and etc.
Okay,
Yes.
so you will focus on the manufacturing only.
Yes.
Okay.
For now, our specialty is to sell the ice that we've manufactured ourselves.
Okay.
Yes.
Eduardo, I have 2 questions for you.
Okay,
Number
okay.
1. So what is the most you like about our machine?
Okay, number 1 that I like most about your ice, it is very power saving.
Power saving?
Yes.
Yeah.
So as a business, it's important for us to save costs. So if
Yeah.
we can drive our costs down, we can be more profitable. We can earn more.
Okay.
So that's what I've
You can
realized.
more, another question.
Yes.
So how long is your ROI, return of investment?
So for the machine, with the right client, you can easily ROI within a year's time.
1 year.
Yes, yes,
Wow.
yes.
This is why you plan to add another machine after
Yes.
1 year now.
Because of the growing demand, we finish almost all of what we've produced. So
okay.
it makes sense, especially now that summertime is approaching, to add another machine.
Yes.
Yes.
About power saving,
Yes.
I remember you told me you are the user of color
Yes.
5 ton a day machine
Yes.
before, right?
I have a 5-ton machine. So it's almost the same compressor that we're using. It's around 25 horsepower.
This machine is equipped with a 30 horsepower
Yes.
compressor. And your older 5 ton a day color machine is equipped with a
25 horsepower, yes.
25 versus 30.
Yes,
But
but
this capacity is double.
yes,
Ah,
exactly.
So with the power saving technology, your ROI can be 1 year.
Yes.
Yeah, with the other machine, not power saving, your ROI will be 10 years.
Yes, probably a lot more, a lot
Wow,
longer. Yes, yes.
Because all the profits will be go to electricity.
Yes, the electric company will be the one who's gonna be rich.
You told me, and you have another competitors
Yes,
nearby.
yes.
You got a 5 ton a day. Which brand is that?
CBFI.
Oh, CJ1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what he uses, and he when he came here, he was shocked to find out that his compressor is almost the same as ours,
Yeah.
but we produce twice as much
Okay,
ice as his.
Power saving technology is the key
Yes.
to win
Yes.
in the ice market.
Yes.
Yes, and it can make our ROI as short as only 1 year.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that is number 1. So I have another question for you.
Mhm.
What is the number 2 thing you like about our machine?
Number 2 is that it produces strong ice.
Stronger ice.
Yes, because The quality of the ice is also very important with the consumers.
Oh, yes.
So this machine can produce two kinds of ice, one solid ice and one hollow ice.
Okay.
So now that you can produce solid ice, you have a better quality, so it melts slower, so the customer likes it better, and it's also crystal clear and transparent.
Oh, yes,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so right now you can make stronger ice with
Yes.
much lower electricity consumption.
Yes.
And that is how you become so successful
Yes.
in the ice market.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why you want to add another machine here, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, my friend, thank you for your time.
No worries. Thank you, and I look forward to buying from you again.
Okay, good. Okay, let's check the compressor model of this machine. This 10 ton per day machine is equipped with only one 30 horsepower compressor. This is the compressor model. We can see that it's a 30 horsepower compressor. One 30 horsepower compressor is big enough for 10 ton per day capacity, where the other Chinese company are using 50 horsepower compressor.